This video show how to use ACDP for VW MQB system 14045C chip model instrument mileage correction. Turn on the power switch on the car and light up the instrument panel. Record the original mileage. Connect the ACDP programmer to the car OBD. Open ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP programmer has been bound. Click VW. Click VW MQB IMMO. Click MQB 49 R7F7014XX5C. Click ICP plus OBDODO. Select the corresponding interface board based on the type of dashboard, taking interface board R7F701404 as an example. Click Step 1 OBD Identify Odometer. Click OK. Click OK. Verify instrument information. Click OK. Identify of meter data is complete. Click OK. Click OK. Turn off the switch. Remove the instrument panel. Click the help of Step 2. Connect the instrument to ACDP according to the help document. Make sure a CDP programmer is connected to the app. Click Step 2 ICP Modify Odometer. Click OK. Click OK. Click Continue. Verify chip information. Click Continue. Reading D flash. Reading P flash. Click OK. Save the original data of the meter. Pay attention to the saved file name. The file name includes date and time. Click Save a file. Click OK. Data will be written. Click OK. The chip is being erased. Data is being written. Modification of meter data by ICP is complete. Click OK. Click OK. Install the car dashboard back into the car. Connect the ACDP programmer to the car OBD or dashboard test platform. Make sure a CDP programmer is connected to the app. Click Step 3 OBD Modify Odometer. Click OK. Click OK. Verify instrument information. Click Continue. Click on the mileage to modify the target mileage. Click OK. Verify if the read mileage information is consistent with the mileage displayed on the instrument. Click OK. Modification of meter data by OBD is complete. Click OK. Click OK. Remove the car instrument. Connect the instrument to a CDP properly. Make sure a CDP programmer is connected to the app. Click Step 4 ICP Write Odometer. Click OK. Click OK. Click Continue. Verify chip information. Click Continue. Select the original data which backup in Step 2 ORIG. Click Continue. When selecting backup files, pay attention to the date and time of the files. Click OK. Save the revised mileage data. Pay attention to the saved file name. The file name includes date and time. Click Save a file. Click OK. Click OK. Write data. The chip is being erased. Writing D flash. Data is being written. Mileage calibration completed. Click OK. Click OK. Install the instrument panel into the car. Turn on the instrument panel. Check if the mileage displayed on the instrument panel is normal. Thank you for watching.